Check out this kid's channel. It's raking in big bucks. Its videos garner massive views, with the most popular ones hitting a whopping 30 million plays. And here's the kicker. The visuals in these videos are usually pretty simple, not requiring a high level of production complexity. According to Social Blade, this channel's estimated monthly income ranges from $3,000 to $48,000, with an annual income totaling a staggering $580,000. Now that's mind-blowing. There are more channels of the same type pulling in similar numbers. The reason why these kinds of channels thrive on YouTube is that they've identified and met the educational needs of parents teaching their kids through animation. Children get to explore the world and learn little things like letters, numbers, and shapes. Plus, the vibrant colors and strong entertainment value of the animations capture kids' interest, keeping them occupied and giving parents some time for themselves. If you're contemplating starting your own YouTube channel but struggling to come up with ideas, you might want to consider venturing into children's learning content. With the help of AI tools, creating similar videos can take just a few minutes. In this video, I'll demonstrate the simplest way to produce such animations. And stick around because I'll share the complete sample video at the end. Step 1. We turn to our old friend ChatGPT. We ask it to generate a script for our video by inputting the prompt. Please write a kids learning video script for me. Set the background in the forest. The host is a monkey who introduces himself and then introduces his friends, giraffe, rabbit, fox, and owl, to the audience. The animals briefly introduce themselves. The audience is preschoolers, so the tone should be engaging and the wording as simple as possible to make it easy for children to understand. The video is about 2 minutes long. Feel free to replace the story background and animals with your preferences. If you have better prompts, go ahead and use them. But remember, your prompts should be as detailed as possible to avoid duplication and potential demonetization issues. Okay, ChatGPT swiftly responds, and we can see that it has provided details from the scene to the character's actions. I find it excellent. Now let's move on to the second step, using a text-to-speech tool to generate voiceovers. I personally prefer 11 Labs, which I consider the most user-friendly AI text-to-speech tool currently available. Each user has a free quota of 10,000 characters per month. We head to the speech synthesis interface and choose a voice that we like. Each voice sample has corresponding TTS, text-to-speech, and we'll listen to this childish voice,
Happiness can exist only in acceptance.
which seems suitable for today's video. Happiness can exist only in acceptance, and I think it's perfect. However, remember that our video has 5 different characters, so we need 5 different voices. We head to the voice library,
I've been doing shit my way, through the highway, and in the driveway.
search for childish, and find samples with young voices. Choose your preferred voice. Click Add to Voice Lab. Change the voice name to the corresponding character name and click Add Voice. In Voice Lab, select the character you want to generate, click Use, paste the text generated by ChatGPT into the text box, click Generate, and listen to the result.
Hi everyone, I'm Giraffe, and I love munching on leaves from the tallest trees in the forest.
Can you even tell it's AI-generated? Click to download. A crucial note here is not to input all the characters' lines at once. Generate and label the voiceovers in sections according to the script's order. This way, you can easily organize the voiceovers later. After generating all the voiceovers, we move on to the third step, creating the animation. Head to canva.com, choose Videos, and click Create Blank with a ratio of YouTube video. Now the first step is to add the forest background. Navigate to the Elements section, then search for forest background.
Just might make a change, rearrange.
I'll choose this one. Right-click on the image and select Set Image as Background. Let's start with an opening. Click on Text, add a text box, and paste the title. Split it into 2 text boxes for a more pleasing look.
Open it up and finally explore everything that you
Change the text color, choose a cute font, adjust the font size, and add some text effects.
feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go,
Then, let's add animation to both the image and text. Select the image, click Animate, choose Photo Zoom under Photo Movement, and select both to do the same.
no, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go.
But something is still missing, music. Click on Elements, search for Happy Children, choose Audio. This one is nice. Add it to the timeline.
Every single day, I'll be making
Check the preview. Excellent, our opening is ready. Now let's move on to the animation part. Add a new page, upload the background image, and bring in our first character, the monkey.
complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredients.
Search for monkey, select a dynamic asset, adjust the size and position, and set an entrance animation.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when
Click Create Animation to create custom animations by dragging the material to design its animation trajectory. For example, I want the monkey to swing down from a tree, so I set its starting point and dragged it downward.
go, 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 go,
Adjust the speed and it's done. Simple, right? Next, import the voiceovers. Click on Uploads, choose Audio, select the uploaded voiceovers. You can upload your own from here. Drag the monkey's first line onto the timeline.
till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay.
Right-click on the monkey, select Show Timing, set the monkey's entrance time, and then set the voiceover's time slightly later than the monkey's entrance.
Never slow yourself down, you can do some more.
Preview it.
Start a plan and you'll find a door. Open it up.
Hey there, little explorers! Welcome to our magical forest adventure! I'm your friendly guide, Monkey!
It should look something like this. Now, follow the dialogue order. Add characters and voiceovers to the scenes one by one. It's straightforward. I spent about 5 minutes on this. If you find it challenging to keep up, give this video a thumbs up or subscribe to this channel. You can watch it repeatedly next time. Once finished, click Download. In the final step, we'll use CapCut to add subtitles. Import the animation we created earlier, add it to the timeline, go to the text menu, and choose Auto Captions to generate subtitles.
Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no man.
Uncheck Apply to All in the upper right corner. This is to facilitate adjusting the subtitle positions later. If you don't uncheck it, when you adjust the position of one line, all other lines will move accordingly. Now, change the subtitle color to black or any color you prefer. Next, let's add some dialogue bubbles to make the scene more interesting. In the stickers menu, choose Cartoon.
And in the driveway,
Select this dialogue box, place it below, and align with the subtitles so they sync.
complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain.
Adjust the size and position of the bubble. Move each line into the bubble one by one and adjust the position and capitalization. Following the same method, add dialogue boxes for each character. Once done, you can export the video. Let's take a look at the finished product.
Hey there, little explorers! Welcome to our magical forest adventure! I'm your friendly guide, Monkey! Today, I'm so excited to introduce you to my awesome friends who live here in the forest with me. Are you ready to meet them? First up, we have the tallest member of our crew, Giraffe.
Hi everyone, I'm Giraffe, and I love munching on leaves from the tallest trees in the forest.
Hi, I'm Rabbit. I'm super speedy, and I love hopping around the forest and nibbling on tasty veggies.
Greetings, little ones. I'm Fox, the clever trickster of the forest. I'm always exploring and looking for fun adventures.
Hoo-hoo! I'm Owl, the wise old bird of the forest. I love staying up late and watching over our woodland home.
Aren't they amazing? Each of my friends has something special to share with us. So, are you ready to explore the forest and learn some cool things with us? Let's swing into action.
And that's it. If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos. And if you like it, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have further questions, feel free to comment down below. And see you in the next video.